Just in direct off the last lady owner, this beautiful Honda Jazz S VTEC, finished in shining grey metallic. Absolutely stunning car, registered in 2019 on a 19 plate with just 9,400 miles, full Honda service history, serviced approximately 300 miles ago. The car is absolutely beautiful all the way around, great value for money. Very popular Jazzies, easy access, big doors, higher off the ground. It's the 1.3 engine, 101 brake horsepower. Under manufacturer's warranty until March 2022. Let's take you around it. Great size boot on this, low loading, loads of space in there, lovely and clean, not been abused, split folding rear seats. Look at that massive storage under the boot, complete toolkit. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around, no scratches, no marks, no dents, no little dings anywhere. All the wheel trims totally unmarked, no damage to those. All the front end, no scuffs. No major chips anywhere. All lovely and clean. We did the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. You know exactly what you're getting even before you travel. Giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. All the door trims absolutely perfect. Just look at that legroom for the size of the car. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Got split rear seats, and you've also got what they call magic seats. A lot of people not aware of the magic configuration. Just lift the seats up, lock them in position. Look at the versatility it gives you. How's that? Great feature. Just surprised many of the manufacturers not copy that idea. Electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors. Again, all the upholstery in great condition. Multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights, again all the dashboard, all the trims, the mileage again of just 9415. That's what it's done. 9415, 2019 car, full Honda service history. Augs and media input, air conditioning. Just a nice out of the way with the USB and AUX input in there. 6-speed manual gearbox. course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. Radio stereo controls on there. Search through various stations. And the volume control on there. Nicely at your fingertips. Cruise control with speed limiter. Bluetooth phone. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you fancy 2 o'clock in the morning, simply click and reserve. Don't forget our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and you feel the car is not as described, we give you the refund back straight away, no questions asked. We've never had to do that yet because we do believe in describing our cars absolutely 100%. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. We welcome part exchange. A great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deals. You can apply direct off our website for the finance, quick and easy. And the full video shows you exactly what our cars are like. If you need a personalised video to show any further aspects of the vehicle, we're happy to send you a personalised video. Specialist Cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can collect from our showrooms. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details on that. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're always looking for similar cars, so always bear us in mind. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.